Hey, I'm Kat.
And I'm Essie.
We're both students at the School of Sustainability at CAU in Kiel, and we've recently started in the project Social Challenge Encounters.
Social Challenge Encounters is a student-run group which aims to fill the gap of knowledge and discussion around social sustainability topics at CAU.
Our aim is to host innovative and interactive workshops held in English that help society to learn and think about these issues in different ways with possible solutions in mind.
For our workshops, we want to focus on some of the UN SDGs. Those are no poverty and zero hunger, reduced inequality, peace, justice and strong institutions, and gender equality. With this in mind, we want to invite you for a weekend full of reflection, awareness and networking under the title Perspectives of Empowerment.
In addition to expert and student-led workshops and activities, you're welcome to join us for free lunch provided by Food Sharing and networking happy hour, which will put you in touch with people around Kiel who are already involved in making a difference.
During our workshops, we would like you to be able to drop by for any length of time, leave when you're tired, and take a break if you need it. The workshops themselves will use different interactive teaching methods to engage you in taking a new perspective on empowerment.
All workshops and activities are for free, and everyone is welcome.